Protocol is very simple and it kind of focuses on what you need to achieve. And there's different types. So on the main page, you can go to the protocol section and you'll find lots of interesting things here. Essentially, you're talking about the architect and builder workflow. That's the main component of this. The reason that exists is because that's how you're going to be able to interact with it in some kind of Git-based context. So if it's GitHub or somewhere else, it doesn't matter. In terms of the technical kind of problems and all of those things, they're described here, but you're essentially trying to understand that the agent that you're running, whether it's Claude or some other AI, the protocol that sits in the middle and the functional kind of elements of running these things in the terminal. That's the keys here. This is how you're kind of working together and collaborating through the protocol, but you're essentially getting those results from that relationship that you're building with them. Lots of benefits, less time, less token usage, all those things is also a huge plus of this process. It fits into this kind of layer 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the very enterprise level things. These things cost a lot to set up and a lot of it is automated. We're playing in this area just before that, where we have some infrastructure that enables you to have these agents working with you inside of that space and making those decisions for you inside. And again, there's some descriptions and examples, explanations of the different files, as well as the different types of modes that you can invoke once you're working with it. And then, when you are working with it, you're essentially working with these markdown files, which give you a lot of context very quickly. And you're editing these rather than having to write prompts, because then when you do some comparisons, if you're grabbing files from Figma or something, you can do quick comparisons. But you're essentially then running different agents in different windows, telling them different things to do and getting different outcomes as a result. That's the main process. That's kind of what we want to guide you through. But obviously, you need to start somewhere. So starting with prompts is great. But then when you're getting to this level where you're having to manage multiple context scope and manage that forward, this is the best way that we found to achieve that.